Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you an 82-inch edge attachments, stone rake or York rake power angle for under skid steer loader. The purpose of this video today is just to give you a quick 360-degree view, show you that the attachment does work. This come out of a dealer's demo inventory. It's never been used but a few times. Paint's still on all the tines. We're going to show you all about it. We're going to start you right up here and show you the worst thing. From setting, some of the chromes come off the cylinders. Nothing's leaking. We're just pointing that out to be 100% honest. This unit will come with the hoses, the flat face couplers, everything ready to go to work. It does have a full oscillating frame this way and this way, so that it comes around. In the front here, it'll have fully adjustable gauge wheels. By simply pulling this pin, you can take and adjust the gauge wheels into different depths. If you want to cut a slope or rake out a slope, you can do that. You can actually fold and clear up, pin them away so that they're out of the road completely. You can see here from close up, the paint, the majority, you can see it's just been used a few times. Tires and everything are like new. Very expensive attachment here. You're looking at about $5,800 for a new one of these. They're super, super expensive. I'm going to go ahead and get into skid loader, and I'll show you that it angles and does everything they're supposed to do. Guys, you can see there from the video, these rakes are very handy if you're landscaping around the house. So, you're working. Very nice rake to have, very expensive attachment. Other than that chrome being on those cylinders the way it is, it doesn't affect anything or not leaking anything. We just wanted to point it out. If you have any questions on this rake, please give us a call here at Mark Supply 88. If you need a freight quote, we're glad to get it for you. 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBay.